Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Emma Graphics. So today we are going to look at how to turn pictures to black and white, or anything at all, objects to black and white. Without any further ado, let's jump into it. So this is my CorelDraw, and so this is the picture we are going to turn to black and white, as you can see on the screen. All right, so what you have to do, you import your picture or whatever object, and once you get here, what you have to do is to go to the menu bar and click on bitmap. All right, once you click on bitmap, you quickly go to mode, click on mode, and you change this to black and white. Click on grayscale, rather click on grayscale. When you click on the grayscale, you have automatically changed the picture to black and white. Look at the previous, look at how it was. Let's go back to it. So okay, all right, so now look at after. All right, look at after. So look at before and look at after. So we have successfully changed this picture from color to black and white. So you can now add whatever effects you want to add to by clicking on effect. Click on effect menu, go to brightness and contrast. All right, so you can now play around with the color the way you want to. All right, as you can see, I'm trying to give a contrast and arrange the color the way I want it. If you want it to move darker, all right, you can do that and do that. And once you finish applying all this brightness and contrast intensity, once you do that, you can now click on OK. All right, so we have our picture from white and to black. All right, okay, we can equally do the same to this guy here. All right, so all you need to do, like I said, you click on bitmap, you turn it to, you go to mode, you turn it to grayscale. All right, then you click on effect, you click on adjust, and then you go to brightness and contrast intensity as well. So you can adjust. I think this is the default one, so I just leave it to that. Okay, I hope we were able to learn something. So kindly subscribe to this channel and see you in the next video.